Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Mind. I know that today is weekend and nobody is interested in studying, but still I am making this video because recently one campus drive has visited and I got the questions from there. So I made this video especially because of this only, because I got the questions from campus drive. So let's begin with today's video. So our first question is, this is the question how they had given. Write a program to remove all duplicate numbers in the given integer array and create a new array and print a new array. That's it. So we need to write a program to remove all duplicate elements, numbers in a given integer array. So array is given. We need to remove all the duplicate elements and create a new array which contains all the unique elements only. Okay, and we need to print that new array. That's it. I think previously also I explained this question, might or might not, but I will explain it now here as well. So this is the input array we had given. So in this there are many of the duplicates elements. So this is a duplicate element containing array. So we need to print the array which contains only the unique elements and no duplicate elements. Okay, so what will be our program? So we will take the L, that is list of map of int comma input dot split. So we will take all the elements in the list, duplicate elements. After that we have taken one empty list that whose name is A, and for I in L, there must be a space. Sorry for that, this must be a space after some tab space, it will be written inside it. So for I in L, means I will containing each and every value of the elements in the list. That is, this is a value based. Okay, this is a value based. I contains the each and every elements of the list, and here it will be from the space. If I not in A, if that particular element is not present in A, then we are appending that value in the A and we are printing that list. Okay, I will tell you with a small example. For example, L contains your value 1, 2, 1, 4, 2 and 3. Let's example, it contains this L value. Okay. Now A is an empty list. So A is equals to an empty list is defined. Okay. So for I in L. So I in L, so I value contains initially 1 because it's a value based. Directly the values from the list it will contain I. So if I not in A, is that 1 is present in A? No. This condition is true, so it will be appended. So now the A value contains your 1. Okay. After that again I value contains your 2. Now is 2 is in A? 2 not in A, condition is true, 2 is not in A, so we will append the 2. So A dot append is a function to append the value in a list. Okay, so 2 is appended. Now again 1 I contains. So is I not in A? So this condition is false, I is in A, that is 1 is present in A, so this it will not go inside this one. Okay, and then I value contains your 4. So now 4 is there. Is 4 not in A? Condition is true, 4 is not there, so 4 is appended. Okay, now 2. So is 2 not in A? No, 2 is in A, so it will not go here. Okay, now 3. Is 3 not in A? Yes, 3 is not in A, so 3 will be appended. Now after appending, we will print the value of A, that is 1, 2, 4, 3 will be printed. So our output is all the unique elements. So this is our input, this is our input, and this is our output of all the unique elements. Okay, so hope you got it. Just by mistakenly I had not given here tab space. So after writing this should be present from here. Okay, after giving some space, like for I in L, and we should give some space, and if will be started from here, if I not in A. Okay, and after giving one tab space, A dot append will be here. Okay, and print function will be from here. So give some tab space here as well. Okay, then you will be clear. So this should be in one margin, that is for loop, and print loop will be in one margin. If will be with having some tab space, with one tab space if will be, and with the two tab space, that is A dot append will be. Hope you are clear with it. Okay. Next question. So given an array with n integer elements, okay, array is given with n integer elements, we need to write a program to remove an element and shrink the array. So for example, input array we have given, and we will take the input from the user only, that which element you want to delete from this array. After deleting all that particular element, we need to return that output. Okay. So for example, here arrays 10, 10, 20, 30 and 10. So we have taken from the user that user what element you want to delete, that is enter element to delete, that is 10, this 10 wants to be deleted. Okay. So 10 will be removed from this array and 20 and 30 will be printed. So our output will be 20 and 30. Okay. See the program. So L is equals to list of map of int comma input of. So here L is equals to list of map of, okay, L is equals to list of map of int comma input dot split of. So here we had taken the list element, that is equals to 10, 10 with this space, sorry, then we will print it like this, L equals to 10, 10, 20, 30 and 10. Let's the input we have taken this one, n is equals to int of input of. So input of, so n contains, let's suppose n contains 10. Here they had also written enter the elements to be deleted. Okay. So to write this in our program, what we will write it here, instead of writing this one, just a minute, instead of writing this one, that is int of input of and having a bracket, in this bracket only, here we will write the enter the element. Okay. Enter the element, and we will close this quotes and close this bracket, and then close this one, close both the parentheses. So if we want to write anything like which want to be displayed here, so it will be written inside this parenthesis, that is this parenthesis inside the quotes. So here we will write the enter the element. Okay. So here we will write this one inside this one. Okay. In with the quotes. Now we are taking the a as our empty list. Now for I in L, so I contains, what is our L? L is 10, 10, 20 and then is the 30 and then is the 10, and after this getting this one 10, so n is equals to 10. So a, for if I not in n, if I not in n, so what I value contains? So 10. If 10 is not equals to n, so is 10 is not equals to 10? No. So it will not, this condition is not true, so a, nothing will be appended in a. Now I contains again your 10. Okay. So is 10 is not equals to 10? No, condition is again false, it will not append anything in a. Now the I contains your 20. So is 20 is not equals to 10? Yes, if condition is true, so 20 is appended into an A. Okay, 20 is appended into A. Now again I is containing 30. So is 30 is not equals to 10? Yes, condition is true, 30 is not equals to 10. So 30 is appended into A. Okay. Now again the I contains your 10. So is 10 is not equals to 10? N is 10. So no, 10 is equals to 10, so it will not go inside this one, and it will print the value of a, which is 20, and 30 will be printed. Okay. So these are very easy questions, and these are asked in recent campus drive. So this much easy questions are asked, so just prepare well, you will definitely qualify. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like the video, please do like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel.